Alright, just sharing, no? Just last year, eto lang, share ko lang tong claims, money claims for life and disability claim section. Okay? So, this is to show na in life, talaga nagbabayad and true to their promises. Okay? Eto, letter A, total death claims processed is 3,159 cases. Ganun kadami. At yung 3,136 cases or 99.27% were paid amounting to 799.74 million. Ganun kalaki po yung binayaran na in life. Yung 23 cases or 0.73% were denied with total face amount of 10.72 million. Okay. Paid 25 cases under the minor beneficiary fund amounting to 3.71 million. Total disability, hospitalizations, critical illness claims process is 282 policies. 266 cases or 94.33% were paid amounting to 59.81 million. Binayaran po lahat dyan. Mga nag-claim ng critical illness, disability. 16 cases or 5.67% has been denied with total face amount of 10.8 million. So, all denied cases were within the contestability period. Death claim denied due to concealment. Yan. Pag sinabi nyo, wala naman akong sakit sa, kunyari, sa atay. Tapos kumuha ng insurance. Tapos, during the contestability period, lumabas yung sakit sa atay. Madidinay nga ho yun. Okay. DDR or critical illness claims denied due to concealment. Ganun din. Nagtago ng sakit. HAR claims denied due to concealment. So, basically, yun yung mga nadi-deny. Yung mga nagko-conceal din sabi ng katotohanan. Okay, ito pa isang. Okay, ito naman living benefits naman. 2025 claims operational highlights for living benefits section. Mga dollar nag-mature, policy count 61, survivorship benefit 199, unit income distribution 21,462. Yan ang amount. Nasa 7,566,183. Ano ba yan? In peso ba yan or in dollar? In dollar. Wow. Ito naman peso, cash allowance, cash dividends, maturities, miscellaneous, survivorship benefit, unit income distribution. Total niya is 113,581 cases. Amount niya is, wow. Ano ba basa dyan? Million ba yan? Lagpas sa million, billion yata ito. 3.5 billion. Yan yung mga nag-claim. Ano yan? Amount yan, amount. Na nag-claim ng mga living benefits. Okay, so guys, in life to in life. So it goes to show na yung in life matatag. Kagaya nung sinasabi natin sa mga BOF natin na talagang credible and madaming pera para pang bayad at nagbabayad ang in life. Okay? Thanks. Bye.